There are moments when you quietly start wondering, am I really failing as a parent? You don't say it aloud, but the thought sits very heavily on your mind. This feeling usually shows up when you're really tired after work. You've had a long day, lot of work in the house, and but you still try your best to give the best possible things to your child. Somehow, someway deep down in your mind, you felt that you didn't do enough. You didn't care enough for your child. It's one of those most common thoughts which the parent will carry, and none of us would like to speak it aloud or accept it in front of other parents or even in front of your own partner. Maybe you lost your patience with your child and raised your voice, or you were busy and you snapped at him without even bothering to look into your child's eyes and understand what they want to communicate to you. But later that night, when you're trying to fall asleep, this thought keeps lingering in your mind. When everything else is quiet, I think I shouldn't have done that to my child. Why did I snap him? I'm not the best parent my child deserves. These are a lot of the thoughts that keep lingering in any parent's mind, isn't it? But here is something very important thing which I want you all to remember. This feeling does not come to the parents who really don't care about their children. It comes to the people who really care and love their children. That is the reason why you're getting that feeling. So that means you are the best parent that your child can have. Guilt itself is the proof that you're not damaging your child. You're trying to act upon your guilt. If you don't act upon your guilt, yes, then maybe true. But you're trying to act upon your guilt, you're trying to come out of that way why you felt inadequate as a parent. So next time when this guilt shows up, don't punish yourself, don't with negativity. Don't strive for perfection. Instead, focus on the repair. Just go and tell your child, I shouldn't have snapped at you like that. I was tired, so I didn't know what to do. I was having a backache, so I couldn't really take it up further. Something like that. Or just simple three words saying, let's try again, my dear child. That let's try again itself will build a bridge. In fact, all of the any damage has been done because you snapped at your child earlier. But when you go back to him and tell him that let's try again, it will actually build a bridge of communication between you and your child. It teaches your children something very powerful, that relationships will not be broken that easily, and they can be mended with love and care. So good parenting is not about getting it right every time, every minute, and every day. It's about staying there, repairing your bond with your children, and showing up again and again. Simplified parenting with one moment at a time.